A high-level delegation from the European Union Commission ended an official visit to Saint Lucia, satisfied with the strides being made at the OKEU Hospital. On Thursday, 17 February 2022, the EU ambassador to Barbados, the OECS CARIFORUM and CARICOM, along with two senior directors from the European Union Commission's headquarters in Brussels, were on island for the customary international cooperation tour, during which the EU representatives visit facilities and assess programs and projects financed by the EU. Minister for Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs, Honorable Moses Jabatis, accompanied the EU delegation on a tour of the OKEU Hospital. The National Medical Facility is the single largest capital project undertaken by the EU in the English-speaking Caribbean. The European Union has provided more than 50 million euros in support of the health and wellness sector in Saint Lucia, including 36 million euros towards the physical construction of the OKEU Hospital, 8 million euros for the provision of biomedical equipment and furniture, a further 6.85 million euros in support of activities for the acceleration of Saint Lucia's health sector improvement plan. This included training of medical personnel and assistance with the updating of standards and protocols. The OKEU Hospital is now fully operational as the island's main health institution following the transition from the Victoria Hospital, March 27, 2020. The EU ambassador, Her Excellency Malgorzata Waskilaska, witnessed for the first time the transformational impact the hospital has had on the local healthcare system.
A great example of assistance of the people of the European Union, 27 countries to the people of Saint Lucia. It's moving to see how wonderful the facilities are and what they offer to the people of this beautiful island.
The OKEU Hospital has 2 floors spread across 4 wings and includes operating theaters, an intensive care unit, a morgue, laboratory, wards for inpatient treatment, an ambulance bay, and outpatient clinics. Physiotherapy services are also offered. There are 120 beds, and the ICU accommodates 6 beds with 2 additional isolation areas. The hospital also boasts state-of-the-art biomedical, radiology, and theater equipment, including an MRI scanner. Miriam Ferron is the Deputy Director General in the Office of Directorate General for International Partnerships at the EU Commission.
As a representative of the European Commission, I am extremely proud to have been able to visit this hospital today. I am impressed by the high level of technicity of the equipment we have been able to see, by the dedication of the staff, and by the way the hospital is managed. And it's a real great pleasure for us to visit this hospital in full operational capacity, able to accommodate a high number of patients, in particular just on those times of COVID. And we are extremely happy that the inauguration could take place in March 2020 in full capacity at the time where the most needs were felt by the population. I must say my expectations were high, but I think that what I am seeing makes them superseded by the reality.
Minister for Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs, Honorable Moses Jabatis, says government continues to build on the milestone the EU's contribution has made to the health sector.
It was a good day today for the taxpayers of Europe to see what we have done with the hospital so far. This project started many years ago, and we know there were challenges, but it is very clear that the staff and the management of the hospital have done a wonderful job in transitioning the hospital, and they continue to do well. Now that we are occupying the hospital, the buildings, we have to continue to work on the other aspects of ensuring to ensure that this hospital is operated at a standard which we can be proud of. So I'm very pleased, I'm very honored, and I'm humbled by the kind of responsibility that I have now as minister to ensure that we take this project to higher heights.
The EU delegation also held talks with Prime Minister Honorable Philip J. Pierre External Affairs Minister Honorable Alva Baptiste and Director General of the OECS, Didacus Jules. From the Government Information Service, Lisa Joseph reporting.